Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I have a quick little DIY for you. We're going to personalize this little bunny using my Cricut, and then we're going to personalize this little hedgehog using Sublimation. So stay tuned and see what we do. Okay, so first we measured our little bunny, and the space that we're going to have is 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So we're just going to go over here to text, and Oz has a really cool name, OZ, so OZ, and this is the font that I'm going to use. It's called Easter. I got it off Creative Fabric, or you can use any font you like. I just like this because it had little cutout bunnies and stuff in it. So we're just going to go up here, and we have it, and this is only 1.4.8 by 0.8, so we're going to just unlock it, and that way I can drag it and make it bigger all the way around. So we're just going to go up here to the width. I want it to be 2.5, and the height I want to be 2.5. Oops, 2.5. So there we go. We have our OZ already cut out. So we're going to make this on my little Cricut Joy. So we're going to select Cricut Joy. We're going to click Make It. We're going to make it on the mat. So we're going to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to move this over just a little bit. And since I'm going to do this with heat transfer vinyl, we're going to mirror it so that it'll cut backwards, and then when we cut it out, then we'll put it down on the bunny and heat press it. It'll be the right side up. So we're just going to hit continue, and then it's going to connect to my Joy. And then we're going to pick our material, and it is heat transfer vinyl. Oh, maybe it's just vinyl. So we're going to use glitter vinyl. So let's see, premium spark vinyl. I'm going to do premium frosted glitter vinyl. This is my little Cricut Joy. This is the smallest Cricut that they make, and it's great for little intricate things. Like I cut out some earrings. Let me show you my earrings that I cut out. I cut out these little earrings. I cut this leather with moons and stars in it, and the little Joy does really good with those. So, but we're going to use it to cut out the decal to personalize that little bunny. So I'm just going to feed my mat in. Okay, and it's just lining up my mat, and my mat's not very sticky, so I put some just painter's tape on there. And now I'm going to tell my Cricut to go. I click the button on the computer, and now it's going to cut. Unload our mat, click on the screen, and it's just going to come out, and then we're going to see if we can peel this. Get our mat out of the way. Okay. And then we're just going to peel our vinyl. Just going to find a corner. Okay, so we have our little bunny, and then I have my decal all weeded out, and I've got a silicone mat here just to protect my table. So we're just going to take our little decal, position it on our bunny, okay, and we'll get it situated. I think that's good. Then we're just going to cover it with a piece of parchment paper. And then I'm just going to use my little Cricut mini heat press, heat iron, and we're just going to hold it down for about 30 seconds. You can do this with a household iron too. You don't have to have a little Cricut mini press or a big heat press. Okay. Then we're just going to peel it off. And there we have Ozzy's Easter Bunny. And if you see anywhere it looks like, see, I didn't get it really good right here, so all I'm going to do is put my little carrier sheet back on it, put my parchment back over, and just give that one little section a press. Okay, so I have this little hedgehog and I want to personalize him, but vinyl, this space is a little too small for me to cut out vinyl letters to put on here, so I printed out a line from a poem on my sublimation printer, and I'm going to see if we can sublimate it onto this little hedgehog. A sublimation printer is just a printer that you put special ink called sublimation ink, and when you apply heat to it onto a polyester surface, the ink will transfer and be permanent. So I have printed out my little poem, and we're going to see if we can get it to go on this hedgehog. Now usually for sublimation I use my big heat press, but I think that won't work for this, so I'm going to try to do it with a little hand press. Let me get some heat tape because I don't want this to move. Once I start pressing, I don't want this to move because it can make your image be blurry. So I think we're just going to kind of take this, and this is heat resistant tape, so I don't have to worry about it scorching or melting or anything like that. So got that on there. Now I need a little piece of parchment paper to do them. And I have a piece of BOCHA paper we're just going to put over Mr. Hedgehog. I have a little handheld press that I'm going to try to do this with, but I'm liable to mess this all up, y'all, so bear with me. Okay, I think that's been 60 seconds. All we can do is check it and see. Okay, so we're just going to flip him over, get this tape off. It worked, y'all. I can't believe it. Look at there. Aww. It says, if I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I could walk through my garden forever. And I'm going to glue a little flower in his hand. Hey, that's it, y'all. We have our little bunny with Ozzy's initials on it for his Easter. And then I did the little hedgehog for my sister with the line from a Tennyson poem and a little flower in its hand for Valentine's Day. And it made it really special. I think she's going to love it. But anyway, y'all, that's my DIY for today. See you soon. Got lots more coming. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Get out there and try something new. I'm really enjoying my Cricut Joy. It's the smallest Cricut they make. And I'll put a link to it on Amazon. You can buy it at Amazon or from Cricut. And I think they have them in Hobby Lobby and Michael's. But it's the lowest price Cricut cutting machine they have, but it's good for small projects. If you want to do t-shirts and things like that, it's not quite big enough. You have to go up to a Cricut Maker or a Cricut Air or Cricut Explorer or something like that. But anyway, I'm really enjoying it. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.